was a homecoming a long time coming. 66 years after his military plane crashed in Europe, a Pennsylvania man was laid to rest today. Staff Sergeant Zoltan Dubovich was born in Allentown, Pennsylvania. In 1946, he was in a U.S. Army B-17 that went down in the French-Italian Alps. Today, his remains were buried in North Hanover Township, Burlington County, where his family relocated.
Dad always liked Christmas.
Carl Dubovich came to this cemetery Thursday to give his father a late Christmas present.
My dad would have loved this. If my dad was here, he'd be jumping through joy.
He says his dad never got over the loss of his younger brother, Zoltan, who joined the Army in 1943 and survived the horrors of World War II, only to die in a plane crash months after the war ended.
A crew of 8 flying from Naples to England, and it never showed up.
Remains found at the crash site in 1947 were placed in a mass grave without being identified. In the 1980s, more remains were found. With improved DNA testing, the Department of Defense made a positive match in September of this year.
This is huge because we're showing that we never give up.
Staff Sergeant Dubovich was laid to rest Thursday in the same veteran cemetery where his brother is buried.
It's good to know that we've got him here now, and that we can now visit him anytime.
Carl Dubovich was finally able to deliver the news that his father died without hearing.
Well, Dad, we're bringing Zoltan's home. He'll be joining you soon.
A family reunion, 66 years in the making. Now, 6 of the 8 crew members who died in that B-17 crash still have not had their remains positively identified. Carl Dubovich hopes his family's story will give those